Hi everyone, this is Ed and welcome to my YouTube channel, Stocks DIY. Today I will show you another investing platform in New Zealand. So this one is called Investnow. So you can go to their website, investnow.co.nz, to learn more about this website. So you can see here, now I open the website and show here about and some information about the company. So what is Investnow? You can read through it when you go to their website. And so a lot of information here of where to start. And they also have like connections with banks, so you can do term deposits on different banks. And a lot of FAQ, some information about funds and performances. Then what I will do is I will show you my portfolio. I also invested on this platform. I think started last May. So here it is. So when you sign up and create an account with Investnow, you can see this page. And you can see, I'll show you this fund selector. And you can see a lot of funds in the list, so you can have a selection. So there's like a AMP Capital, then they also have ANZ Investments, Antipodes, then APN Property Group, Devon Funds, Elevation, then Fisher Funds, then Harbor, Hunter, India Avenue, Leg Mason, then Milford, a lot of Milford, then Mint, Nico, Morphic, Pathfinder, Pi, then Platinum Key Street, then Russell Investments, then Smart Shares. Smart Shares similar to the one that Sharesies is also investing. Then here Vanguard from the USA. Okay, so from here there's some information about the percentage gain for I think 1 year, 1 month, 1 year, and 5 years. Let me see on top. So yeah, the fees, then percentage return in 1 year, return in 5 years. So you will get some information about the funds. And also in here you can see, for example, you want to look at this one, then it goes to here. Maybe you can open this one. So it opened or it download the documents from the fund itself. So we'll give you information about the funds and different types. So NZ shares, index fund, hedge, global. So you can see here the risk indicator. So a lot of information there. Then go back to the portal. So if, for example, you have chosen this one, then you can just click invest now. Then you can put some money. I'll just show you an example. For example, this one, invest now. Then you can put the amount you want to invest. I think there's a minimum of 500 or 1,000. I can't remember. But right now I have only $6.70 available, so I cannot invest on this one. So if I have like a 1,000 or 500, I can't remember, then I can just fill this amount. Then I need to read the information here, disclosure, then invest. Then it will be done. I think 1 or 2 days. It depends on the processing time by Investnow. Okay, so I just cancel this one. Then about term deposits, they have different banks associated with them where you can do a term deposit. So you can see here different terms like 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, 12 months, and so on. So with the different percentage. So right now there are 5 banks in the Investnow. So ANZ, BNZ, China Construction Bank, Heartland, SBS, So this is a easy way if you want to invest or do a term deposit instead of going to individual banks. So all your money is just here. Okay, then performance. So I invested since May. Then every end of the month they put some the information here about the performance of your investment. So right now I have a 50%, 0.5% gain. I have 5 funds that I invested in. So right now I have Vanguard, Smart Shares, Top 50, the Smart Shares, US Large Growth, and the Dividend Fund, and AMP Global. So I have a positive $11.48 on the Large Growth and negative on the others. So basically for the month of June I have a negative $7.57 return. Okay, but I think this is the total one since I started May. Then have here orders, so you can see all the transaction that I made. So I have I think I put $5,000 in this portfolio. So first I invested in May 19 1,000, then another 1,000 on 19, so 2,000 total, then 29 1,000, then 1,000 on the 3rd of June and 16th of June. I invested 1,016. Okay, and now I will show you my my portfolio. Wait, under documents there's a lot of documents available to read about the funds and some companies or I think the articles or write-ups about the funds or news about the funds. Then now I'll show you my investment. So if you go to home, right now I invested $5,000 since May. Then now it is $5,010.96 all in all. Then you can see here that's a value of the portfolio. Then I have 59.9% ETFs and managed fund at 39.92. Then I can show you like a top 10. So right now I only invested in 5 funds. So there's like a various percentage for each fund. Let's see here. So almost equal because I invested around 1,000 each for 5 funds. Okay, then here at ETFs I can show you here from Smart Shares how many shares and the price and the amount here. Also you can see this action. I click on this one, then we will show you the chart. Okay, so you can monthly, then you can also weekly, so you can see the fluctuation on the pricing, and also maybe just 1 year, then 3 years, then 5 years. And just close this one. Okay, then also the managed funds from AMP and Vanguard. Vanguard is a US, I think US company, but this is I think a branch in Australia. So when I purchased this one, the New Zealand dollar that I invested was converted first to Australian dollar, then invest on the funds. So I have a remaining $6.70, but I cannot invest on this one, so because there's a minimum amount for investment. So maybe in the future I will add or top up more on this portfolio. Okay, so that's it. That is just um, Investnow platform. So I hope you were able to learn a little bit information on this video, and please subscribe to my channel for more of the stocks DIY. So again, this is Ed, and thank you for watching.